Here we are in Mindo. This is our bird tower that we're staying in. See Danielle doing dishes. Here she is. All 4 levels. So I figured I'd show you around what we're working with. So, gotta keep our shoes off. So that means we walk around barefoot here. It's the bottom level. Just the bathroom. Got our luggage down here since it's the only door with the lock. Rain jackets. Little seating. The electric shower, which does not get very hot, but it works. Toilet. Sink. Made out of a rock, which is super awesome. Spring water from the spring down here. So this is first level. And to get upstairs, what other way besides a ladder? So let's go up. Alright. Second level. Got the mosquito net out last night. Normal stuff, coffee. Made some coffee this morning. Danielle doing dishes. But screen right here, glass. Very open. And third level, or stairs. Alright, third level. Got the hummingbird feeder down there, the second level, forgot to show you. There's a hummingbird on there right now. Third level's where the magic happens. The bedroom. Sleeping in the mosquito net, of course. It's a must. They're everywhere. And the top level, see, it has a little door. Just gotta open that up. And we're at the top, which is absolutely beautiful. Got the spotting scope, which is set on that tree pretty far out there. Right about there. That's where the toucans like to sit. And way in the back, kind of covered by the clouds, like right here, is a volcano. I don't know how to pronounce. And got a pretty 360 view of rainforest. It's awesome. There's a little banana here that we put out on this wire. Pull that in. Put the banana out. 2 nights ago we had a possum, a woolly possum, which is the same guy in this picture right here, who was snacking on it. And we threw some fruit out on the roof. Nothing's touched the oranges, but this banana completely eaten. This banana completely eaten. So it's been lots of stuff up here. Very good. Great place. Mindo, Ecuador. And gonna hit the waterfalls here in a second. And this is our bird tower.